These are the BOSE QuietComfort Earbuds 2, and I'm going to explain to you why these might be the best buds of 2022 and what the haters get wrong about these buds. So this is what you get inside the box. You're getting the buds and you're getting some extra tips with a USB charging cable. So let's just get out of the way the main criticisms of these buds. Well, they don't come with wireless charging, and they don't come with independent pairing. Oh well, those are great features, but they come with a much better fit. Probably one of the most comfortable fits you've ever tried in an earbud. They come with an adjustable quiet and aware mode. They come with the best active noise cancellation earbuds that I've ever used in my entire life. They come with improved battery life. They come with an adjustable EQ. Finally, they come with easier touch controls. I mean, all in all, these are one of the biggest improvements from the previous generation. So I'm going to show you what's so great about them in the real world, and I'm also going to show you what the technical features are and why they make a lot of sense, especially if you like to listen to music. They came in weighing at 73 grams versus 94 grams on the first generation, and the buds themselves weigh about 6 grams and 13 grams when you have them together, which is crazy. We are suddenly in the Sony LinkBud Type S and the Beats Fit Pro as some of the most comfortable and light earbuds you can find that come with active noise cancellation. And this is what they look like at a coffee shop. I can't hear anything. And in a side-by-side comparison, fit and size and weight matter, because if they don't stay in your ear and they're not comfortable, you're not going to wear them. I don't care how good they sound, but they sound really good. So when I listen to Whitney Houston, you can really feel the vibrancy and the power in her voice. And what I really like about them is that this custom tune technology, it kind of works with your ears because it optimizes the noise cancellation and the sound for your eardrum, which is something very unique. And I think that it tailor makes, because you have a better passive feel combined with the custom tune, it makes R&B, pop, jazz, whichever genre you're into, it makes it all sound good because it has a well-balanced sound. And Bose is well known for having that well-balanced sound. Instead of going too much in the bass or too much in the highs or too much in the mids, it really makes a tailor-made sound for you. Like, the best way to describe it is that as I walk and the bounce of the walk, it doesn't still fall out of my ear. They have still a very secure grip, and they look good. I mean, this is the first time I can actually say that the Bose don't stand out. And the touch controls are very simple. As you can see, I just turned it on. I just have aware. Now I can hear all the cars around me. And if I put it on quiet, I don't hear any of the cars anymore. And that's how simple these buds make just walking around and just escaping the environment. Now, if you're gonna go and you're like, oh, I don't want to get hit by a car, these might not be the best ones, because then you want something more open ear, or you might be wanting to run in the aware mode. But if you're just walking around and you want to just escape from the environment, these really allow you to do that. These buds have 6 hours battery life in the bud, and the case has 18 hours, even though it's dramatically smaller than the first gen. But it's also in line with a lot of the current buds on the market. I cannot hear the wind. I can't hear the cars. I can only hear Whitney Houston that's playing in my ears. And if you want to talk about sound quality in terms of how these sound overall, the bass, very, very good. It's a huge improvement over the previous edition. And that is something that is hard to say when you go from Series 1 to Series 2 these days, especially for these modern Bluetooth earbuds. So as the drivers can't get much bigger, and the earbuds keep getting lighter and smaller. But I think it's because they made a much better passive seal. And because they have that better passive seal, and these are not foam tips, they are silicone tips, they just work. It just works. So I'm talking to you using the microphone on the QuietComfort Series 2, these QuietComfort Buds Series 2 from Bose, and I have them next to the QuietComfort Series 1. Now, I'm in a Chick-fil-A. You can hear the ambient noise around me, so I wanted to make sure you guys can also hear how well the mic works in terms of a loud environment like I am here. The other thing I wanted to make sure everyone knows about these earbuds is that they really do lower the active noise around you. So right now I have them on active noise cancellation. I don't have the music on, and when you take them off, it sounds like the volume went up about 20. So if you're at 5, it goes to 25, because that's how loud it is. You guys can hear it, but right now it's kind of like a whisper in my ears, which is absolutely crazy. So I've been really impressed with how these buds have been working, especially taking them onto the wild, because Out of all the buds I've tried, there are some really good ones. I love the Link Bud Type S's. I love the Sony 1000XM4s. But this puts the active noise cancellation up to another level. So we're going to show you the app and what it can do, as well as just, show you, these are the 1000XM4s that I've been putting in my ears. They were the ones that I used with the airport, but these are obviously going to be replaced with the BOSE QuietComfort 2s. So tune to your ears. So here, they give you all the instructions, they walk you through. So you don't have to be an audiophile to use them, which is something I find very convenient. And it shows you very easily how to adjust them for your different types of ears, because everyone's ears come in different shape. So to me, fit, comfort, and active noise cancellation, along with sound quality, are the 4 most important characteristics of earbuds. So on the BOSE, you can not only adjust the band, but you can also adjust the ear tips, which make it multiple levels of customization to fit multiple ears, because these some people are going to have ears that won't be great for these, which I totally understand, and there's a lot of other great active noise canceling headphones that they should be checking out. So these come with touch controls, and even though I really love physical buttons on my earbuds, well, these are going to be better in my opinion than the Sony 1000XM4s, which I usually had to do multiple times to just fast forward or repeat or a song. So that's something that I like, and the volume control is also very easy because you could just slide up and down, which is new, and I like that about these buds. And the app itself is using the music app. So one knock on it is that BOSE has the BOSE Connect app and the music app, and these use the music app, and you can set the mode in them, but you have to remember which app you need for which product. So in the modes, you can set up to 4 different modes, and you can just set it to a different varying level of active noise cancellation, and you can set the source, and you have the equalizer here. Now, there's not a lot of preset EQs with a really complicated curve here, so you don't have a lot of customization outside of setting the bass and the treble with the mids, but it's very easy to use, and it does make a big impact. I also don't see any spatial audio features that you would on an Apple or Sony, but remember, a lot of streaming services don't even offer that yet. So ultimately, the question is, are these the right buds for you? And I think it's coming down to a few things. It comes down to affordability. It comes down to what is the primary reason you need earbuds with active noise cancellation. Because if you're using it for the gym, I think the Beats Fit Pro are probably the best for the gym in the market right now. And if you love it because you have an Apple iPhone, well, maybe the Apple iPhone AirPods Pro 2 that's coming out might be the best for you. But if you're a young or older professional, if you're a mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, son, daughter, aunt, it doesn't matter. These are going to be one of the best, if not the best choice for you, because they don't read like you're getting earbuds that are for a teenager, and they work well everywhere, which is not something you can say about everything. So thanks for watching, everyone. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.